YouTube's valuation has skyrocketed to an astounding $550 billion. But what does this really mean for creators, viewers, and the future of digital content? First, let's break down how YouTube achieved this monumental figure. With over 2 billion monthly active users, it's not just a platform, it's a global phenomenon. Over 500 hours of video are uploaded every minute, making it a hub for creativity and entertainment. YouTube has grown from a $1.65 billion acquisition in 2006 to a valued over $500 billion, an increase of more than 33,000% over nearly 2 decades. According to a prominent Wall Street research firm, it generated $54.2 billion in revenue back in 2024 and is set to surpass Disney in 2026, through strong advertising and subscription performance. The revenue generated through ads, subscriptions, and partnerships has transformed YouTube into a powerhouse. It's not just about watching videos anymore, it's about a thriving ecosystem that supports millions of creators worldwide. Many have turned their passions into full-time careers, thanks to the opportunities YouTube provides. But with such a staggering valuation, questions arise. Is this sustainable? How will YouTube adapt to changing trends and competition? As new platforms emerge, will it maintain its dominance or face challenges ahead? Projections indicates that its operating income could reach $13.8 billion by 2027, with its TV viewership, which recently accounted for 11.6% of its viewing time, steadily rising. One thing is clear, YouTube has changed the way we consume content and connect with each other. The future holds endless possibilities, and we're all part of this incredible journey. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please get us to 1,000 subscribers. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates.